Are you getting enough proteins daily? As a doctor, I often get asked if protein supplements are necessary for them. Some people even believe protein supplements are only for bodybuilders, they are only for men, and excess protein can cause kidney damage. However, this is not true. Protein is essential for building and repairing body tissues and producing enzymes, hormones, and other important molecules. Proteins keep our immune system strong and healthy. Most of us may not get enough protein from our diet alone. That's where protein supplements come in. According to WHO, the recommended daily protein intake is 0.8 gram to 1 gram per kg body weight. For example, a 70 kg adult with sedentary activity would require 55 to 70 gram of protein daily. Athletes, muscle builders, and pregnant or lactating women require more protein, which should be 1 to 1.2 gram per kg body weight. Protein supplements come in different types like whey, casein, plant-based soy or pea protein. If you are new to protein supplements, you can choose supplements that contain 10 to 15 gram protein per serving since they are easy to digest and prevent bloating. It is important to remember that supplements are not a replacement for a healthy balanced diet. You may consult a nutritionist before starting any supplements. For more informative videos, you can follow me.